How much will Luna Classic be worth after 1 month? Terra Classic, LUNC, keeps on showing outrageous unpredictability in the market on a gigantic measure of exchanging volume. Terra Luna turns into the 58th biggest cryptographic money on CoinMarketCap during Friday's meeting. As of now, the Luna token has been recorded over 200% potential gain and beat the more excessive market. Financial backers of the Terra People group have areas of strength for Made of Luna on the proposition of 1.2% assessment consumption of the Terra Classic LUNC organization. Major crypto trades have upheld Terra's duty consumption plan. But what about a month later? What does LUNC have that other cryptos don't? And what makes it so special in this time of recession? That is exactly what we will be covering in today's video. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your number or any personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The currency, also known as Terra Luna Classic, is down 4% over the past 24 hours, but managed to remain in the top 10 by trading volume, with $440 million in LUNC moved during that period. Despite its extraordinary volatility, LUNC has gained 7% over the last 7 days, as of this writing, and has increased by more than 30,000% from its bottom in May, which followed the defixing and breakup of the initial Terra Luna currency and UST stablecoin. Investigation of Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, value. After nearly 6 weeks of consolidation in the 0.000085 cents to 0.000105 cents range, LUNC's bullish tension caused an unanticipated breach beyond the 0.00013 cents mark, putting the coin into cost disclosure. The buyer managed to get a greater than 296% assembly between August 30th and September 8th. A short-term fall, caused by the inversion from the 0.000517 cents level, caused LUNC to drop below its 20 EMA. In the meanwhile, the cryptocurrency formed a bullish flag formation over a day. The coin may be placed for a potential benefit if it manages to break beyond the 0.000292 cents barrier. Soon, this may divert the expense towards the 0.000517 cents roof. A close-term bullish nullification would be indicated by any decline below the 50 EMA. Would it make sense for you to consider buying LUNC? Considering the ongoing efforts made by the LUNC people to reduce their symbolic stockpile and keep its value in their minds, LUNC has tremendous modern potential. The coin's specialized front showed a growing purchasing edge. The bull should now aim to remove the 0.000292 cents barrier to ensure higher chances of achieving the previously mentioned goals. However, one should keep in mind the risks associated with investing in a project that has seen a substantial setback. If the currency falls victim to siphon and dump plans, the price may decrease in the upcoming meetings. The financial backers are advised to keep an eye on the numbers of tokens utilized close to the percentage of LUNC indicated. Additionally, a rising pattern in these fronts would confirm the current bullish inclination. The only cryptocurrency stage illuminating the way out of this crypto slump is Luna Classic. They are being transported somewhere around the collapsing securities exchange, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and others. The worry that has been weighing on the minds of cryptocurrency financial backers throughout the world is dispelled by Luna Classic. In general, the symbolism even outperformed significant crypto pioneers like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have risen more than 9% and about 5% respectively. The global crypto market value reached $1.04 trillion as a result of widespread cryptocurrency purchases. Is Terra Luna the ideal cryptocurrency to buy in 2022? With much flourish, Terra entered the public eye, and its utility token LUNA has benefited greatly. Due to its rapid development and relevance, financial supporters are considering whether the blockchain will be the best cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. Even though Terra has huge potential, we also have another cryptocurrency initiative that puts a stake in the ground. Is Terra Luna the best cryptocurrency to invest in? Customers may have a better understanding of the value projections and key components of the Flight Infinity token after checking on the well-known cryptographic currency. In any event, the finest virtual currency to invest in is Fight Vastness. By fusing play-to-elicit (P2E) features with decentralized innovation and the metaverse, Fight Boundlessness hopes to revolutionize the game industry. Will Terra Outstanding Value achieve $5 by the end of October 2022? Since the beginning of September, the price of Terra has remained stable, and experts predict that this trend will continue through October. The stage is receiving significant attention and liquidity, which might maintain the pricing trend for the remainder of October. However, the negative activity can be typical for regular periods, which might naturally reduce growth. The bears are expected to control their inclination to panic when the LUNA cost soon may exceed $3. So long as the bullish pattern is held firmly in place, the LUNA cost may eventually surpass $4.50 resistance in the coming 2 or 3 weeks. As a result, the Terra cost estimate for the month is between $4.50 and $4.89. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for more videos like this one.